A lost wallet. That's what the call said. But when police arrived on Christmas night, they found something very different. A man with a gash near his eye, a brother who had fled, and a family falling apart. This is real police work. Let's break it down.
Hello?
All right, thank you.
Who else is here?
Just me.
Just you?
Let's get the mags for you. You have a gash under your
Yeah.
eye.
Yeah, I know I do.
Let me get the mags, okay?
No.
Can you get the mags?
No,
Where's
please,
hold on,
please
hold on.
don't.
So
Just gonna touch you.
all they're
don't
going
have
to
to
do
go,
is check
Alex.
you out. You can sign
have to
for a
go.
refusal, and then that's it. Okay?
Wait. Refusal?
You can sign a refusal
Yeah.
if you don't want to go to the hospital.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And then that's it.
Officers walk in and immediately spot the injury. They call for medics, but they don't push Alex around. They give him a choice. You can sign a refusal if you don't want to go to the hospital. That one line matters. No adult can be forced into medical treatment. The officer is calm, clear, and in control. And that tone never changes for the entire call. That's textbook de-escalation.
So don't bring them. They're
Well,
not going to do nothing.
We have
for
to
me.
do our due diligence. We see an injury,
Okay.
okay, especially to your head. We have to do our due diligence on that, okay?
Right.
What happened today?
Got in an argument with my brother about raising his voice at me.
Uh-huh. That was it?
Yeah. Like,
When did it turn physical?
I couldn't. Oh, you know what? When I started calling his girlfriend a stupid bitch because she was doing nothing. She was standing there watching two men about to fucking kill each other. So I called her a stupid bitch and said, "Get." The whole reason this shit happened. So yeah. So that's when I got struck. Because I called his girlfriend a stupid bitch.
Okay.
Because he wouldn't just leave me alone. Like, dude, you got your whole crib downstairs, bro. Leave me alone.
Okay. He lives downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay.
I live
and you have
upstairs.
You have a bedroom up there?
Leave me the fuck alone.
Okay.
Alex had been drinking. He got into it with his brother Michael downstairs. Voices were raised, words were said. And then it turned physical. Notice how the officer handles this. Open-ended questions. No interrupting, no leading. He just lets Alex talk. That's intentional. Emotional, intoxicated people give better, more accurate information when they're not being boxed in. The officer knows this, and it works.
What was he saying to you to kind of provoke the situation? Was he asking you to do something?
No, he was yelling at me because I asked him to not raise his voice. Because we were drunk. I got home. I've had a few to drink tonight.
Okay.
So I got home, and I was in a good mood. I was laughing. We're laughing. We're joking. We fucking got home from a walk. We're having a good time.
Sure.
He raises his voice. Just whatever it was that was like
That sparked it?
like a fucking sandpapery subject. Whatever it was, like that, all of a sudden turned into, you're the enemy. And you're fucking talking all this shit, and you just got home, and you're fucking like, I don't know what
Okay.
it was, but all of a sudden, it turned into.
What would you like done? We can do a report. You can have him arrested. What would you like to happen? A report's going to get done regardless. It's up to you if you want to pursue the matter later on.
What are my options?
I just gave them to you, so I'm gonna.
Give 'em to me one
At
more time,
minimum,
please.
all I'm gonna do is do a report. Okay.
Okay.
So next, we can do. You could sign complaints and have him arrested for domestic battery.
Oh, two options.
I mean, pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
You can get an order of protection. Once I do the report, I'll give you a case number, and then you can go to the judge and file for an order of protection to have him kind of almost taken out of the house. Okay. While you're thinking about that, what's your last name?
Alexander.
Do you have a middle initial, Alex?
No.
No? Is this how it appears on your driver's license or state ID?
No, it's not. But
Okay. How does it appear on there? Because that's the only way I'm going to be able to identify.
As far as you're concerned, just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Just collect myself, please.
Sure, no problem.
Sorry.
No, man, yo, take your time.
You guys here,
No, you're good.
and now here I am trying to Just give me 1 second.
Alex,
Sure.
Before you go, did your brother take off in his normal car?
There's no car.
That blue car's gone.
Yeah.
Okay. Or didn't his girl live over here not too long ago?
I have no clue, dog.
Okay. All right.
We've been so far apart, dude. In like the last month.
We haven't been here in a while, so
Right,
it's probably-
dude.
yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
man. Like,
Is mom okay?
she's doing good, dude. She's out of the house, man. That's why things are good.
She's out of the house?
She's out of the house because she found something better, dude. And, like, this guy's like.
All right. Did he leave on foot,
I'm
Alex?
trying to make something here.
I know. Dude, you're calm. This is the best I've ever seen you. You're doing great. You're doing great. Go ahead, sit down. Yeah. Yes. Are you working? Yeah. Did he leave on foot, Alex?
Or do you leave with his girlfriend in her car?
I'm not sure.
Okay. What's your date of birth, Alex?
What do we got later?
I don't smoke.
I don't.
I don't think I got one in the car.
Give me 1 second. I'll answer your questions. Just give me 1 fucking second.
All right. So, you ready for this? Michael, the guy that struck him, had an order of protection and still lived here. And his order was he could not be drinking, could not be what was that also? It was crazy. He had so many rules and he would never violate them. We're here. They're all both. Did you say Kim's? Yeah, she's gone. Kim's gone. Yeah, she's not living here.
The officer lays out Alex's 3 options: a police report, which happens regardless, a domestic battery arrest, or an order of protection to restrict Michael from the home. Simple enough, until one officer quietly drops a bombshell. Michael already had an existing order of protection, with conditions: no drinking, no violations, and yet here we are, Christmas night, a punch thrown, Alex bleeding. This isn't the first time something's happened in this house. Orders of protection don't appear out of nowhere. And if Michael violated his existing order, that's not just a new charge. That's a court order violation on top of it.
She's not.
I didn't say she wasn't. Could be the.
All right, what do you got?
What's your birthday, Alex? What's a good phone number for you? Do you have a phone number, Alex?
I do.
What is it?
Okay, give me 1 fucking second.
Sure.
Dog.
No problem.
Is it changed, Alex? Or do we still have it?
We still got it.
Okay.
We got
Right.
his info.
Yeah. Hey, Alex, do me a favor. I'm begging you right here. You don't want to go with them? They ain't gonna care. Just let them check you out. Let them do the thing. You ain't gonna get a bill unless you get a ride. Fair?
Fair.
All right. Just let them do the thing.
I don't mean to give you like attitude.
No, you're
No, man, I understand. I get it.
I have a fucking.
Victor 2, can I get a report number over the air, please?
I know, like that when you get that
Ten four, thank you.
Hi, Alex. My name's Nicole. This is boyfriend manager, okay?
I'm alright, right? It could possibly use a stick. It's kind of tough to tell out here in the lighting, but it looks like a pretty good shot, if you ask me. What's your name, sir?
Oh, like
Alex?
Yeah.
Okay, did you have anything to drink tonight, Alex?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what were you drinking?
Whatever was offered.
Beer,
Whiskey.
fucking,
Let's see.
have
I drink
Barney.
whiskey. I drink whiskeys. And I drink
You know his birthday by chance? He's got
Strong.
birthday.
It's the only info I got from him. Hey Alex, here you go real quick. That's my card, and then that's going to be the case number for you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, no problem.
Some basic questions we have to ask here. Can you tell us where you're at right now?
And then, quietly,
I know there's silly questions.
Alex says something that puts everything in perspective.
Just doing it.
This is very
What's the month?
the fact that Mom's not here anymore.
December 25.
Mom used to live here. Mom used to be the one who called when things got bad.
So
Now she's gone.
You're able to refuse.
And the two brothers she held together are bleeding on Christmas night. One officer even murmurs, she was probably the caller. That's why we haven't been here in a while.
Would it be alright if
This
we
is the
check out
part
your
of
vital
policing that never
signs?
makes the news.
Take your blood pressure.
Here's behind the report.
Yeah, it would
So-
not be. I'm okay.
Do you think Alex made the right call not pressing charges?
That's okay.
Drop it in the comments.
That's right.
If this kind of breakdown helps you, subscribe. I do this every week. See you in the next one.
I will.
I know there's silly questions.
It is what it is. I'm just doing it.
And what's the month?
December 25.
So you're able to refuse if you don't want to go to the hospital. You did get you pretty good there in the eye. Are you having any problems with your vision at all?
No.
No vision problem?
Would it be alright if we check out your vital signs? Take your blood
Your
pressure.
blood pressure and stuff?
Yeah, it would not be. I'm okay.
You don't?
Okay, you don't want any vital signs.
That's okay. That's your right. I would advise if you do start having any vision problems or anything, I would go to the ER or call the doctor just because you don't want anything with your vision.
It's not that.
In that case, we'll just have to have you sign some things just saying you don't want to go to the hospital. Okay?
If anything changes, give us a call back, okay?
Alex, can I borrow you for a second?
Yeah, call 911 or go to the hospital.
Just close your eyes. I gotta take a couple photos.
Alright, you gonna be cough up a
Close
lighter
your eyes.
before you.
I don't have a lighter.
Somebody got a lighter? I know somebody's got a
I
lighter.
don't got a lighter.
Yeah, you want pictures? You better cough
I
up
just
a
take a
lighter,
couple
dude.
of photos, man. You're the one who you called us,
I
brother.
know I called you, and I'm sorry. Somebody better cough up a lighter, dude. Anybody?
Okay, no one
I
has
know
a
I just-
lighter.
I know I just smoked one. Alright, I'll be
Why
right
did you
back.
light it up? Are you okay?
What's hurt, man? Actually, this is behaved out. Very good. The fact that Mom's not here anymore, that's crazy. Probably why we haven't been here. Because guess who the caller is? I think she was the caller. I think Kim was the caller, but she doesn't live here.
You think so? I don't
How would
think
she
it
know
was.
anything?
Right.
Unless he called and said,
Right.
yeah, we got
exactly
into
my
it.
thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Because he usually don't call.
Got it?
Alex, did you call us?
I did.
You did?
I'm the
Okay.
one that called you. I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I forget it.
No, I just want to make sure. Okay, cool.
Outside.
You have what you need?
Yeah, I'm just gonna have him
That's the
sign
only
it.
thing. This one I saw.
Good.
I could be wrong.
Alex, what's your phone number?
So I can look it up and I can put it, I don't want to deal with it and trying to look in.
There's a webinar that's probably 300.
What's his brother's name?
That's us. Never.
Alright, so just sign here at
Michael.
Michael.
Birthdays. Same last name.
Like I said, anything changes, feel free to call back.
Would you like me to take pictures?
No, I'm not gonna get into the argument.
Take
with
care,
him.
okay?
No, absolutely not.
Alex, good luck to you, man.